remove bracket from this expression. 5d into brackets minus d minus 2c. Close the bracket. Solution. We have 5d into bracket minus d minus 2c. Now, expanding brackets, what do we have? We have 5d multiplied by minus d. That is 5d times minus d. Now we use the same multiplier, which is 5d here, to multiply what we have here. Minus into what? We have 5d multiplied by 2c. We have minus at the middle already. So in this case, we are going to have 5d times minus d. What will you have? We have minus 5. D times d is d squared. Then we have here minus 5d times 2c. 5 times 2 is 10. And c times d is cd. So we have here minus 10 cd. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.